Vetiver is a root oil that is jam-packed with therapeutic properties. This oil is known for its abilities to promote relaxation and balance. If you want to feel grounded, calm the mind, or reduce nervous agitation, Vetiver is for you. Vetiver is very popular to use before bedtime to help calm the mind. It has a strong aroma that to me is a pleasant, earthy, woodsy, smoky scent. There are so many ways to use vetiver, but because vetiver is a personal favorite of mine, I want to share with you my top 3 ways to use vetiver. 1, in a diffuser. I put a few drops of vetiver in my diffuser to promote sleep. 2, during travel. I like to travel with my essential oils. When traveling, I carry an aromatherapy inhaler with vetiver to soothe the nervous tension. It works great. And the 3rd way I like to use vetiver is in a body rub to relax muscles after a hard workout. Here's an easy DIY for an effective soothing muscle rub. You will need 1 ounce of organic healing balm, 10 drops of COPAIBA, 6 drops of marjoram, 6 drops of black pepper, and 3 drops of vetiver. Then we're just going to mix all ingredients together really well. Then apply a small amount to your hand and apply it to sore muscles and joints. It feels amazing.